Hello friends, after so many requests from over emails, WhatsApps and Telegrams group, I'm launching Microsoft Server Database Administration. My name is Arsha and here is my WhatsApp and email. You can reach us by any medium and here we are having three levels. One is level 1, level 2 and level 3. In level 1 we are going to discuss what are the installations and what are the basic fundamentals of database administration, like RDBMS, this one RDBMS. Okay, and what is data, and what we are building a foundation for blocks for use, which is very helpful for you next 10 to 15 years. And in module 2, which comes under level 1 and installation and configuration, and the new point, like we can integrate the copilot into SSMS 21 version plus. And what are the working databases, and what is data file, what is log file, file groups, extents, page architecture, page types, creating databases, adding data files and everything. And in module 4 we are implementing the security, and what is the authentications, and what is user roles, database roles, and implementing object level security, and what is the TDE, and what how to implement server editing, and what is job editing means, like how to know who enable and who created, who disable all these jobs and everything. So in module 5, backups and restores, and what is the full backup, simplify with all details, demos, and backup modes, full backup and differential backup, log backups, and database snapshots, model database mail and Merck architecture, and implementing, creating jobs and automation, some kind of automations and everything. So up to module 7, level 1 will be completed. So, and coming to level 2, we are having high availability and recovery solutions, HA and DR solutions. One is log shipping, database mirroring, and replication, and always on and SQL clustering. So, in these three, and more, like database mirroring has been deprecated in 2017 version only. So, but still it is been in use. So, like total, we are having five solutions. So once this is after completing a level 1 and level 2, you can apply for the jobs which is having 3 to 4 years of experience. Coming to level 3, all this troubleshooting of ICPUs, memory and IO, and index tuning, and how to use the profiles and extended events, what are the dynamic management DMVs that we use to day-to-day life, and what like database logs, loggings and deadlocks, what are the transaction isolation, what are the operators and execution plans, optimizing Haddock loads and index fragmentation, table fragmentations, how detailed understanding of statistics, and parameter sniffing and parameterization. One of the real-time AI use case what we are using in Microsoft SQL Server 2025. So after completion of this one, you can apply for a job which is having 4 to 6 years of experience. Means a person who really having 6 years of experience, that you can really simulate in your in your job life. Okay. One thing is coming to training fees details, it is 15,000. If you pay in single, it could be 12,500. We are giving 2,500 as discount. If you want to pay like 15,000, it is very if you don't have that much of handy right now, so you can go with the two installments options. First you can pay half of the amount, and after 1 month you can pay another half of the amount. And don't believe me, that there could first listen to my content and the class, how I am saying, how I'm delivering the, what is my speech rate, are you able to grab the context or not. So for that I'm giving 5 days free demo, not say demo, five free classes. So in the 5 free classes, you can listen and you can decide either I'm the best person to suit for your requirements or not. So final call has to be taken by you only. Okay, and once you join that, we have a YouTube channel for that. What are the videos that we used to do for those kind of scripts? We have, there is separate package to 1200 rupees. If you join this program, we are giving that for free for an entire duration of the course. And coming to training duration could be 3 months plus. It could be plus or minus. It is not like that. It's not like other programs like 40 45 days and everything. It was like it's almost 90 days. Why? Because we are starting from the scratch to advanced, and we are sometimes I'm working, sometimes I don't get time to take the classes, so it will take time. It's not like a course; it's a technical journey. So in this journey, I'm trying to lay foundation for you for the next 10 to 15 years. Okay, the only thing that I can give you that after the completion of this training, you can crack the job on your own. If you already working, you can show excellence in your job and get the best package in the next company as well. Okay, and coming to time job trainings time 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and it will be almost 1 to 1.5 hour. Okay, and like based on my time and as well. So in the during this program, everybody has to be on camera so that I can see how like how you are gathering. I mean, what is your understanding and everything. So I can see your facial expressions, and you have to join with your original names, and you have to be kind to the trainer on the participants, and we have to give the opportunity to our Alan as well. Here is the meeting link. So for the first 5 days, you can meet us with this joining link, and we are starting the class from next month, February 23rd onwards. Okay, and who are interested, you can join. Like you can directly share with your details using this link, so that we came to know how many people are joining, and based on that we can some get clarity, and any if any so any new updates are there, directly we can communicate to you only. And recordings will be shared in private mode for 1 year. And okay, and during this program we will provide you prepare I mean we will provide the guidance you on resume preparation, so that you can directly upload in the into the Naukri and get the start the job hunting. And what are the daily interview questions based on the class, what are the class that we have completed, and we will use the daily interview questions, so that you have to make a I mean so once you completed watching the recordings and everything, you have to send the voice messages in the in our WhatsApp groups. And some of the people are already working, right? So they sometimes do not have times and everything, so we are giving the daily assignments in the form of multiple choice. They can just tick one like one with pen mark, so that their assignments can be completed as soon as possible. And mostly Saturday Sundays are holidays, and if any some such situations comes, like if I have taken any holiday that has syllabus has to be completed at those times only, I mean I can with all people feedback I can take Saturday Sundays, otherwise mostly it could be holidays only. So with these, who who are the people who can benefit from this training is, one is the freshers. For the freshers, they can do anything, but they lack some confidence. Why? Because they are very new to this kind of environment. For those kind of people, this this batch is this course will be very suitable. And housewives who has taken career breaks due to maternity and child upbringing, so those kind of persons will be very, I mean for those kind of persons this course will be very useful. And working professionals from other DBS backgrounds, and for that they want to add MS SQL expertise in their resume, and the architecture is different but they know everything. For those kind of peoples who want to refresh and reconnect the knowledge and everything, and this course is very suitable. And who is working from like 3 to 4 years experience, but they don't get any chance, so they want to grow in their career and get better packages. So for those kind of people, this course is very suitable. After all these coaches and everything, you can crack certification as well. With real-time exposures and dumps practice you can do. And one thing is, there is no certification from on-prem SQL Server. Everything is linked to the Azure only, so that if you have an on-prem knowledge, so obviously you will get some kind of Azure knowledge as well. So that coaching certification name is DB300. Okay, so all these are all the course contents and everything. So if you have anything to discuss with me, you just drop a WhatsApp. You can reach us using WhatsApp number, and we can you can rush drop an email as well, or you can fill the mainly you can fill the form, so that we can share any updates directly with you only. Let's see in the class. Thank you. Bye.